What is going on, guys? Better Success here, and welcome back to the channel. Today's video, guys, we are heading up to Michigan. We are going to be purchasing some drag radios from someone on Facebook Marketplace. Dude's giving a pretty good deal, and with me driving up there, he's giving an even better deal, so it's kind of a no-brainer to go get them. I had some tires that I ordered from Jags. They were the Mickey Thompson ET Street 275 40 17 tires, and they said that they were going to ship on the 25th. Today is the 26th when I'm recording this. So yesterday, I got an email from them, and it says that they're on back order until June 7th. So immediately went and canceled my order and went on Facebook Marketplace up in Michigan, and I saw that, you know, this guy had some. Now, these are the Nittos. These are the 555Rs. So not the same exact tire, but I'm hoping for the price that I'm paying that they do pretty well for me. You know, I can't really complain for a way cheaper price if they're, you know, a little bit less quality or a little bit lacking in the performance area, but they should still be perfectly okay. So let's hop in the car. We're gonna grab some Starbucks, gotta hit the bank real quick, and then we're gonna get on the road up to Michigan. I'll see you guys in the car. Alright guys, so we just pulled up to Mike's house. I'm gonna drop these off where me and him are going to a car meet later. I'm not gonna have room with the girlfriend and then the old wheels that are in the car in the back of the Mustang. So I'm gonna drop these off at his house. Overall, I mean, they look pretty good. It's gonna be a night and day difference over my tires. So I did notice on one of these though, let me see if I can find it. One of them has like a little bit of a not a chunk missing, but it looked like it got cut a little bit. I think it's right here. Yeah, if you guys can see that. That little chunk right there. I think it's right there. Yeah, see? Little chunk missing. I don't know. I mean, it's not anything too terrible. It should still sit pretty well. So let's get these unloaded and get back to the house and I'll show you guys what the old ones look like. Alrighty guys, so we are back at my house and I want to show you the drag wheels here. So I don't know if you guys have probably seen these before. Basically, these are the wheels that I'm going to be putting back on the car for, you know, Mexico racing activities or, you know, going to your legal local drag strip. But the reason why we needed to change this, if you guys can see, that right there is not supposed to be there. And same thing down here, you got some wear and tear. So we're going to be replacing those. Get the car started up and head over to Mike's house. And actually the girlfriend, you guys can't see right now, but I'm gonna move her car in order to back mine out. And then my mom actually just left her Genesis over here, so we're gonna get a little review of that probably in the next video or maybe a video after that. I'm not quite sure yet where exactly it's gonna fall, but let's get a cold start here and we'll get you guys over to Mike's house and get the tires put on, and then we're heading to a car meet tonight, so it should be a good night. So here is the Genesis. This is the Genesis G70. It's a 2.0 liter turbo. It's pretty nice, man. Real clean. So pretty soon here, I'm gonna actually be plasti dipping all these emblems here. I want to do this one, that emblem, the back Genesis one, G70. I'm gonna do all this chrome too. I got some hyper dip that I'm gonna try out on the car. Same thing. I might do the handles. I don't know. Maybe that piece down there, and then we're gonna attempt to do this. I don't know how good this is gonna work, but you know, we'll go from there. But yeah, overall, stay tuned for a review. Launch control. I mean, yeah, that's fine. Just looking at. For her to come back, no, she's staying down there. Stay down there. Yep, she's staying down there. Yeah, yep. Yeah, we can do another one. Nothing really. I just still like before, whenever if I go from first, and whenever it grabs, it just upshifts to third, so I get no fucking second gear. I don't know if it's a tuning problem or...
It felt like you were like
bro,
enough, or I mean like...
Bro, it seems like maybe I wasn't high enough launching, because when I just did my last pass before I just raced you, that was a foot brake, and this one was now launch control, and I still have the issue of the fucking second gear thing too. I don't know. I did.
They're such a good run, like they're so close.
Right. I had a little bit more ignition correction than I would have liked on that one, but we can run another one. I don't care. It don't matter. Yeah, it don't matter to me. We'll run another one. Whenever I get going, it fucking just like skips second gear. It goes right to third. First to third. No.
First to third.
No second gear.
Even if you paddle shift?
Yeah, paddle shifting. I'm gonna put it in normal drive mode with launch control and see how that does.
I would do.
Did that last launch feel like a good one to you? I want you to have like a fair launch. That's what.
Yeah, I mean, it felt like a good launch. Like I said, I just don't know the issue with the fucking first to third. You gonna line us up again?
Look, you're already lined up.
Well. Yeah, normal drive mode.
Launch control has a delay.
Normal drive mode is definitely not the move there. So that was just in my normal drive mode, not sport, nothing, no paddle shifters. That was just normal. It definitely does have a delay. Very interesting. I'm gonna try launching a little bit harder. I don't know, testing the car out, I guess. So.
That's what I want to do anyway, is make some test hits. I just want to make a test hit next to somebody.
Right. All right, we can go down there and do another one. Guess my shit's just slow. I don't know.
Hey, what tire do you want?
Those are Nitto 555Rs. But I don't know. We'll see what fucking happens. I'm gonna try launching a little bit different here. I don't know. Part of me just wants to just like foot brake and just launch that way. Not even use my two-step.
Do you feel like it launches harder that way?
I don't know yet.
Are you having a problem seeing yourself?
I think my car's just slow, man.
He's getting like a car out on you before you even leave.
I know. It honestly, it feels like there's a delay in my fucking...
Turn your fucking launch control the fuck off. What do you got it set at?
That one was 2,700. But I could also foot brake.
Just foot brake it and see what the fucking car will go to.
Okay.
See if you can get it up to 28. Forget the other unit. You got traction control off.
Yeah, traction control's off.
Advanced track's off.
Advanced track's off. Yeah, that was my best one yet, so I think your car is just faster. I mean, realistically, I mean, yours
is a hell of a lot faster than a stock Ego boost.
Right. So, I mean, I'm content with it. It is what it is. Like I said, I don't even plan to keep the car that long. So, all right, so I just got my ass beat by this car right here. And another car pulls up, crossfire here. You guys really can't see anything. It's fucking pitch black out, but
Oh boy.
we're in a ditch here and it's a little wet.
Shit, it's underwater.
Yeah, that's so we're in a...
Is it still running or what?
No, it's off. He shut it off.
No, does it run? Maybe I'll pull it up another.
Tokyo drift that corner.
Yeah, you guys are probably just chilling. Like, what's going on here? So yeah, dude came around. If you guys can see, I don't know if you can tell where those cars are coming down there. There's a turn, and he came around this turn, and he like skirted around, and came back this way, and then ends up in the ditch. So we got a couple guys and a couple Jeeps here trying to figure some stuff out. This shit is hilarious. Oh my
Did
goodness.
you get him on the last one?
No, no.
Still couldn't pull it.
Couldn't get him,
Looked like
dude.
you were getting at the end.
Couldn't get it, man.
It sounded like you went straight to third again, though.
Yeah, I did.
Did the paddle shift?
Yeah.
So, do you think that maybe when you're leaving, 'cause that's got a real super low fucking first, that it's just going second, you don't even know it?
I mean, it's literally going first to third. I don't see second on my dash at all. No clue.
I'd say as soon as you leave it, you said I'm not. You did drive and didn't do it though, huh?
No, but drive was fucking terrible. That shit is ridiculous. Bruh. Bruh. Here's my car getting gapped by an SRT Jeep. I'm about to sell this thing because apparently it's slow. So, looks good at nighttime though. Looks pretty mean. All right, well, let's stay tuned. Oh, the dude's got a chain right there. Let's see if we can get out of here. Whew. A little stinky.
It's alright. I'll be alright. Hey, no damage. That's all I care about.
Jeez.
All I care about. No damage.
Yo. I can't believe this right now, dude. That's crazy. Well, guys, last night was a little bit interesting. Interesting. So we went to the car meet. The GoPro died. I don't know if it actually died, but I'm having like stupid problems with the battery on this GoPro. I got like 3 batteries, and for whatever reason, 2 out of the 3 just like die occasionally. Doesn't matter if they're fully charged, whatever. Didn't record any of that. We went straight to, you know, the local Mexico drag strip. And you know, we got some runs in with the tires. Tires hook great. You know, me compared to the SRT Jeep that I was racing, I'm just slow. So it doesn't make me want to keep the car. I've said before, I actually want to sell it. I've got a couple bites on it. No one's really shown too much real interest. When you guys are seeing this, it's gonna be about a week from today, I believe, that you guys actually see it. I got someone who is wanting to meet up with me and look at the car. So that could be beneficial there. Overall, the car is quick. It's a fun car, don't get me wrong. But you know, for the most part, I just feel like it's just not what I want. So we're gonna be getting rid of the car, you know, if everything goes right. And we're gonna be on to something different. So, you know, you guys will have to just stay tuned. I did get the wheels, or the tires. They, like I said, they hooked really good. The 555Rs, really nice tire. You know, you do one burnout at them, get them warmed up, and they hook instantly. So that, I think, is going to wrap up the video today, guys. Just wanted to talk, you know, kind of catch you up as to what happened overnight, why I just went from, you know, picking up tires, dropping them off at Mike's house, to, you know, the drag strip. I just kind of wanted to give you a little bit of background as to what happened between there. But that's gonna wrap up the video, guys. I hope you guys all enjoyed. If you really enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure you subscribe. And as always, guys, peace out.